Hello, this is Ivan with WTI, and this is the Apple Magic Mouse 2.
And if you're looking for dependability and precision in your mouse, then the Apple Magic Mouse 2 is exactly what you're looking for. You ought to get this mouse. I have experienced a very smooth browsing with it. What I really like about it is the weight of it. It's not too heavy or too light to where you cannot control your mouse precisely as you want it. So I really like that balance that it has. I'm able to do the editing that I need to do in my computer very smoothly. And I also like that I have no interruption between my laptop and my mouse. So the connection is flawless. I don't have to worry that it will skip or anything like that, but it does not lag at all. So I really like that about the mouse itself.
So for a functional and responsive mouse for your MacBook or any Mac product, then this is the perfect addition to your accessories. So don't hesitate to get it. And that's just my point of view.